Welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and today's video I have an unboxing video. Now this box is from my lovely friend Janina. You can follow her at Free the Tomatoes, her link will be in the description down below. She has sent me this package and I don't know what the frick is even in it. I was like struggling to open it just before. It's so taped up. But she got me this package and I'm pretty sure this is for my birthday. She's been meaning to send this for a wee while and I fully forgot she was sending it, and then it arrived at my work today and I was like, oh my god, yes, so freaking excited. So yeah, without further ado, let's unbox this wee gem. I'm so freaking excited. I have no idea what's in here. I love getting all my gifts from her. Like, she always has the best gifts. I'm just like, I love it. I send her gifts back too, by the way, just so you guys know. Oh wow, okay. So we've started here. Oh my gosh, bitch knows me. Some Cool Ranch Doritos. As you guys know, Ali got me some of these as well because these are legit the best chip freaking ever. So Cool Ranch Doritos, yes, I'm so freaking excited. Yes, Cool Ranch, yes. Oh my god. Okay, so then, oh my god, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Oh, so we've got the Micro Brow Pencil by Wet n Wild. Oh, that looks like that'd be really cool. If you guys want a review for anything, you write it down in the comments down below. I'm really excited to try that. That's freaking awesome. I have not seen those in New Zealand, so that's freaking sweet. There's a whole bunch of crap in here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, a Nourishing Body Lotion by Quarterly. Oh, I know that's a good brand, but she knows the skincare is on ready. A Glam Glow Gravity Mud in purple. I had this in pink and I freaking was obsessed. Now I've got it in purple. Oh my gosh. Yay! Yay! Oh my god. Alright, and then I've got the Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer, the Too Faced Primed and Peachy. So the peach primer. I haven't tried that. Oh my gosh, like guys, I don't know if you can actually see how much is in here. I'm just like, whoo. Alright, let's pull all this out. What is this? Sour Patch Crush Fruit Mix. The Sour Patches in that come from Canada, they only 150 calories per fucking thing. Oh my god, I could eat all this. It would be fine. Anyway, I find that the Sour Patches from Canada always seem a bit harder. The ones in New Zealand are quite squishy. In New Zealand they're a bit squishy, but oh my god. Oh, I can't help my. Oh my god, look, there's mango ones. Okay, Sour Patch with mangoes. Oh my god, I'm excited to try this. She always sends me the best freaking lollies. Oh my god. Mango Sour Patch, let's try it. Oh my god, these smell so good. I don't know, 140 calories? Okay. They're gonna be gone by the end of this video. These, she sent these to me before. It's a resealable bag. These peach things, Maynards, are just oh my god, check it. These fuzzy peaches are my favourite lollies. Right home in New Zealand. 140 calories too. And these are healthy. Oh my god. I'm not even feel it. I'm so happy. These resealable, honey. I'm so. What's in here? There's so much up in here. Okay. The Black Glitter Mask by Glam Glow. I'm excited. I need to eat more of these. I like these mango ones too. These are new. We've got the Urban Decay Disco Queen. Is this a highlighter? Highlighter. Oh shit. Oh, she fancy. Oh, might need to do a wee review on this wee one. What me and her like to do as well, if we've got old makeup, if we've got makeup we don't no longer use, we always like to send it to each other because then we're not wasting it and we can enjoy makeup from the other side of the world. I've got a Colour Splash Lipstick Tarte. What colour is this? Oh, I'm excited. I hope the lighting stays up on light. It's getting a little bit dark now. I need to eat more of those lollies as well, by the way. It's in shade Beach Babe. Looks like it's going to be a light pink. This packaging is so pretty. It's so gorgeous. Oh god, that's freaking stunning. That is a stunning colour. I need another peach too, by the way. I love the packaging on that. Oh, I haven't actually tried any Tarte lipsticks before, so I'm actually really hyped about that. Let's get another one of these. Oh my god. Shop it. Is this a T-Rex handbag? This is a T-Rex handbag, so help me God. Oh my God. What is it? It's not even, what is it a handbag? I don't know. Is it a T-Rex? Yes. So it would be a handbag. Yes, I just need a strap for it. Oh my God, wait, is the strap inside? What's in here? It's the strap. Oh my God, it's a freaking T-Rex. Oh my God. Its mouth moves. Oh my God, I love how this looks like a septum as well. Oh my God. Okay, so she got me this amazing T-Rex handbag. I've been eyeing these up for literally so long. Oh my God. I'm gonna wear this everywhere. That's it. And it's black, so it literally goes with any outfit. Black and gold is a staple bag to have. And the fact that this is a black and gold dinosaur. Honey. Janine, you know me so freaking well. I love this. I literally love this so much. This is so freaking cute. Oh my God, dinosaur bag. Hi. Yes. Don't mind me, just my dinosaur bag. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God, the candy keeps coming. What is this? Tropical Swedish berries. Oh, these are new too. Oh my God, I'm gonna be all sugared out. And then cute lollies. Oh. Oh my God. Candy over there is so good. Oh my gosh. Mmm. 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 Oh, this. Mmm. Oh my God. Okay, and then we've got, oh, a Too Faced. Oh, this is a bronzer. This looks so freaking pretty. I love Too Faced cosmetics. I love them. But in New Zealand, they're so freaking expensive, so then we've got a peel-off eyeliner. Glitter Pop peel-off eyeliner. What do you mean it peels off? Oh, official. There's my little note from today. I want to see this peeling off. Like, do I have to make it thick? Why does it peel off? I'm so confused. I think there's a few of these. No. Yes. Okay, so there is a pink one as well. Oh my gosh, these look so freaking cute. Alright. I think that's the only one of that. I'm trying to not pay attention to what the other things are while I look through. But there's those through the Too Faced peel off eyeliners. So I wonder, like, why does it peel off? I don't know, but those are freaking stunning colours. That's literally so stunning. And then we have some more Glam Glow masks. Some more Glam Glow all glitter masks. Oh my God. The never-ending glitter masks. Oh my gosh. I have too many hands. Oh my God. Also, I found another one of these peel-off liners too. Oh my gosh. This is like Christmas. Look at all of these. Oh my gosh. Yes. Literally, yes. My face is going to be so freaking snatched. And then I've got a wee... Oh my gosh. Stop it. Look, it's a little T-Rex skeleton. Oh my God, necklace. Oh my God, I love him. Okay, he's going up here. I'm like, here. Here, he's going up here. Oh my freaking God. That is so freaking cute. Yes. Perfect. He lives there now. That's his home. It's literally how it is. Oh my God, I cannot get over all the things in here. Oh, and then I've got a Wet n Wild Precious Petals. I think she's got me the Precious Petals before. I think. Like, do I have it somewhere? Yeah, Precious Petals. She's got double up. Honey, you already sent me that one, but I'm freaking grateful because I love it. You can see I've actually worn the shit out of this one. I really like it. It's nice every day. But freaking Wet n Wild, it's so amazing. Then I've got some samples in here. I've got some, some nice like water samples and stuff. She always gets like the best samples, and you use all the different stuff. You're just like, oh my God, this is freaking amazing. Those are all the samples there. Oh my gosh, I love that. Stop it. This is like a stencil for swatching. Oh no, this is a stencils for your mask. So apply mask over stencil on desired face area. Carefully peel off stencil while mask is still wet. So then you can get your little like stars of masks. You could also use this for special effects and stuff like that. So that's freaking awesome. Also, I want to see. I'm like, how does it? Oh, it's. Oh, okay. So it kind of like rubs off that eyeliner stuff. I don't know. I need to do a review so I can work out what's going on with that because I have no idea. Never even heard of that. Alright, then we've got here, what is this? This is a lip balm. This is a skin one. Oh, it's all sealed up. Poppin' Champagne Lip Balm. It's always good to have a really good lip balm, so I'm really excited to try that. I've never heard of the skin brand. Dimitri James. Rings the bell. You guys are going to read me in the comments, I can already tell, but oh, it looks really nice as well. Okay, then we have, oh, a little mask applicator, which I freaking need with the 1,000 masks. You've seen me, Janine. What the hell? I'm obsessed. I love that. I love that you go OTT. I think that's freaking amazing. In here we have the heavy metals. There's a whole bunch in here. Oh my god, yes. Of the heavy metals eyeliners, glitter liners. Oh my god, Halloween is legit gonna be just glitter liner freaking heaven in here. Oh my gosh, that one's not glitter liner. And then, oh, and then we've got another of the peel off eyeliner as well by Too Faced. I have literally so many glitter liners now. I'm just like, oh my god, I need to fill up a cup. And I actually have spare cups. I have spare cups, like crystal bugs. I'm so excited to literally store all this stuff. I'm so excited. There's a few things left in here. So we've got a, what is this? Lunatic Cosmetics Labs. Lunatic Cosmetic Labs. We've got a lipstick in here. What is this? Oh, this is one of the bullet ones that she was talking about. These are freaking so cute. And then what shade have we got here? Oh, this beautiful brown. Look at it. And the actual lipstick is in the shape of like a bullet. I think that that's so freaking cool. I don't know. I'm obsessed with the packaging of that. I'm so excited to try that because that's a brand I have not tried. I just love all these different brands that I haven't tried. It's just so freaking exciting. Oh, and then I've got an Urban Decay disco stick as well. Oh my gosh. Just all of these are highlighters. I'm like, that really matches the one I've got on now. That's insane. I love the kind of pink reflex. I am overwhelmed. There's a lot of freaking stuff in here. And then I've got a High Shine lipstick, the melted latex one. What color are you? Look at that. It's just like a beautiful glow. Oh my god. I love the packaging of this too. Oh, and it smells amazing. It smells literally so amazing. There's so much stuff here. Oh my god. Okay, it's still going. Now we've got a, what is this? This is a Lumiere lip stick. Lip balm. That is freaking cute. I love that orange color. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, this is what Janine. You've sent me so much stuff. Okay, last thing in the box, we have a, what is this? This is a YBF Beauty. I don't know what it is. Oh, here we go. A pink lip gloss. A hot pink lip gloss. Damn girl. Legit. There's so many not lip masks. So many masks. Look at all these masks. She's giving me a haul. Okay. So, if we go, here's all the masks. Here's just lipsticks. And then we've got glitter liners. Oh my god. Another mask I found. And then all these samples. Another highlighter. These stickers. Beautiful bronzer. The primer. Oh, sorry, more masks, don't mind me, some moisturizer, our freaking 1,000 lollies. Oh, wait, I found more masks. Oh, our brow brush, I completely forgot about the brow brush. Oh my god, more lollies. I'm gonna open these Sour Patch Kids. Yes. Alright, I'm like, So legit. She sent me all this stuff. I'm legitimately blown away. Oh! Sorry, there's another thing. I'm legit blown away with how much stuff is in here. Wow. Like, you have outdone yourself. I'm going to step up my game. Also, my freaking dinosaur bag. My dinosaurs. Oh my god, this box is so freaking special. I love this so much. This is the best fucking birthday present ever. This is so amazing. I love, like, the thought that's gone into this gift. I also love all the different kinds of gifts that people think of and they think of me, and you know, they pick something and they think, oh, this face would like this. That just makes me so freaking happy that someone would think of me, and all these things makes you think of me, and I'm just like, oh my god, I love that so much. And thank you so much, Janine. I love you so much, and you're gonna be getting a crazy Christmas present, I can tell you that now. But yeah, thank you so much, and thank you everyone for watching. If you're still here, say Doritos. Cool Ranch. Say Cool Ranch. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below. what you guys want me to try on camera, because there is so much here. There's so many potential videos. Thank you, Janine, for giving me the content that everyone wants. But yeah, until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! I know it's really shit lighting, but look, I put them in my little cups there so I can go with all of my beauty stuff, all of the liners and everything. Had the perfect spot for it. I'm like, yeah, so good!